Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. On today's video, I'm making a simple English breakfast. Here, we are cooking our sausages. We just have to cook it until it's properly done. And now our bacon. We are going to be cooking this bacon until it's properly done, as you can see. And now our eggs. We're going to be seasoning our eggs with a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Here our sausage is still cooking, and we're going to be toasting some tomatoes. And here we have it, a simple English breakfast full of proteins, served with baked beans and toast. Try this and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.